Hi! Would you like to learn how to use the most important verb to improve your English? Welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today you're going to learn how to use the be verb in English. In English, when we make a sentence, we have a subject, a verb, which means an action word, and an object. The subject means who is doing the action. Sometimes the verb in our sentence is the be verb. We use the be verb to describe, give more information about someone or something. In our sentences, if we use the subject, a be verb, and then an object, the object part of our sentence in the simple present must be a noun or an adjective. A noun means a person, place, animal, or thing. An adjective means a word that will describe a noun. I am a teacher. Teacher is an example of a noun. I am happy. Happy is an example of an adjective. I am a happy teacher. The verb in our sentence is the be verb, am. In English, in the simple present, the be verb is used 3 different ways depending on your subject. If the subject of your sentence is I, when you talk about yourself, when the subject is I, the be verb that you use is am. You can also shorten it to I'm. So I am or I'm. In my previous example, I am a teacher. I could also say I'm a teacher. If the subject of your sentence is singular, meaning one thing or one person, then the verb that you need to use is. He is, she is, or it is. He is an actor. She is pretty. It is sunny. You can also shorten this and put the words together in what we call a contraction. He's, she's, or it's. If the subject is you, talking to one person, you, or talking to a group of people, you, then your verb will be are. You will also use are if your subject is they. They meaning 2 or more people, that is not you. Or 2 or more things, items. We also use are if the subject of your sentence is we. We meaning you plus another person or other people. You are smart. They are talented. They are yellow. We are happy. When we use are with the subjects you, they, or we, you can also put them together to make the contraction by using an apostrophe re. So instead of saying you are amazing, I can say you're amazing. They are lawyers. They're lawyers. We are sleepy. We're sleepy. Now that we have made positive sentences in the simple present with the be verb, let's take a look at how to make negative sentences with the be verb. There's one simple thing that you need to remember. Add the word not. After the be verb, just add not to make your sentences negative. For example, you know I am a teacher. I am not a doctor. It is possible to directly put the be verb together with not in a contraction form with the apostrophe to make negative sentences. For example, I could say he is not tall or he isn't tall. She is not shy. It isn't funny. You aren't sad or you are not sad. They aren't my friends. They are not purple. We aren't energetic. We are not energetic. Next, let's take a look at questions using the be verb. To make a yes or no question, you need to start with the be verb. Start your sentence, start your question with am, are, or is. Then use the appropriate subject, then your object, which should be an adjective or a noun, and then a question mark if you are writing. If you are speaking, it's important to remember that at the end of questions, your voice goes up. For example, you are happy. Are you happy? Okay. So you are happy, my voice is going down. If it's a question, are you happy? You can hear my voice going up at the end. Am I crazy? Then to answer this yes or no question, you would say, yes, you are, or no, you're not. Is he cute? And then to answer this question, yes, he is, or no, he's not. Is she married? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is it 2021 yet? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Are you ready to improve your English? Hopefully the answer is, yes, I am. Hopefully the answer is not, no, I'm not, or you wouldn't be watching this video. If you are ready to improve your English, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any English lessons. Are they hungry? Yes, they are. No, they're not. Are we there yet? Yes, we are. No, we're not. Since you know how to make yes or no questions, the next step is to make WH questions. What this means is that you will make a question using the words who, what, when, where, why, or how. To make a WH question with the be verb in the simple present, start with the WH question word, then your be verb, then your subject, and your object. A very common English question with the be verb is, what's your name? My name's Jen. Where are you? I'm in Canada. How old is she? She is 5 years old. What time is it? It is 6 p.m. Who are they? They are the Moffats, a boy band from the 90s. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Mary Poppins. Hopefully you could see through some of the answers to these questions that the subject wasn't necessarily he, she, it, they, we. When you're talking about a singular thing or a singular person, remember is. When you're talking about more than one person, we or they, or you meaning a group of people, you meaning one person, use are. When you talk about yourself, use am. So today, you have learned everything you need to know about using the be verb in the simple present. And now it's time for question of the day. For today's question, In the comments below, I want you to write a question in the simple present using the be verb. It can be a yes/no question or a WH question. So practice making a question using the be verb in the comments below. Then answer the question so that I can learn more about you. As a bonus, when I read your question and answer, I will also provide my answer to the question. So practice making some good and interesting questions in the simple present with the be verb. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you found it useful, you should subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou and give this video a thumbs up. If you know anyone else who might enjoy this lesson, please share it with them as well. Good luck with your English studies. See you in the next lesson.